Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make shine effect in Premiere Pro. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, open your Premiere Pro and import your logo. Then open effects window and add this lighting effect. Add this effect to the logo layer and then head over to the effect controls panel. Under the lighting effect, let's expand light 1 settings. Set light type to directional and then select the pen tool under the lighting effects, and inside of the preview window create a skewed rectangular mask to the left of the logo, taller than the actual logo. Then make sure the time indicator is at the beginning of the logo layer. Then create a keyframe for mask path by clicking on a stopwatch icon, then move half a second or a second. Then select the mask one in order to see it in your preview window and drag it across to the other side of the logo. Make sure it is not touching the logo. In that way you've created the animated shine, and as you can see, this is the results. If you go back to the lighting effect settings, we can adjust the intensity of under the light one. If we make it 100, it's going to get brighter. We can also make the shine effect softer by increasing the mask feather and add fade to the edges. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to make shine effect in Premiere Pro. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.